Hi all, my name is Bharat Vyas and I work as IBM Storage Protect Support Engineer. Today I would like to explain the importance of reorg operation in Storage Protect. So move to the next slide. First we need to understand the what challenges a Storage Protect admin can face if reorg is not running or not properly configured. The first challenge a customer can see that their storage protect database overall performance degrade, and second, database size grow unexceptionally. So there are other factor also involved like system resource are not enough to fulfill the server workload if backup ingest data increase gradually, or if server is not configured as per storage protect blueprint. Video we will discuss about reorg operation. Let me move to the next slide. So what is reorg? A reorg is a DB2 operation which clear the fragmented data from the table and indexes and then release the space to operating system. Therefore, the reorg will help to improve the performance of DB2 SQL queries, which eventually improve the storage protect performance. So to verify if reorg is running fine or not, we can run query db f equal to d command, which will show last database reorganization date and time. So if the date and time is latest one, then reorg is running fine. Otherwise, you need to diagnose the issue. Second way, we can query some ANR messages to verify if those ANR messages are latest or the old one. So here are some example. And moving to the next slide. In this slide, I'm going to explain you few important parameter of reorg. So the default values of those parameters are recommended and we do not suggest to change it. However, there are 2 or 3 parameters like reorg duration and disable reorg, which you can modify it as per the server workload and the storage pool type. So let me explain the reorg duration parameter. Reorg duration parameter tells you how long you want to run the reorg. The default value is 24 hours. If you have only directory container pool, then keep it 24 hours. However, if you have legacy storage pool like file pool, tape pool, disk pool, then you need to set as per the server workload and make sure when you need to run when the server is less active. Now let me explain the disable reorg parameter. So this have the tables which you want to exclude from the automatic reorg. So default value is none, means all tables are included for automatic reorg. But if you want to exclude, like these are few 4 tables which are very large tables. So in case if you have legacy pool only, then you should exclude those table from the reorg operation. And the reason for excluding those table is that these are large tables, so running reorg on those table may take many months, so that can cause other tables to be uh, stop until this reorg finish for those table. This is my storage protect test server console. I run the query qdb f equal to d, and then I need to check last database reorganization date and time, and it shows me the current date and time. Similarly, I need to query few ANR messages in actlog to verify whether the reorg is running or not against the index and the tables. So if you search ANR 0294I, this message will search the reorganization against the table. So in this example, we can see that last reorg run on against table tsum mon underscore status on 11th, so which is the latest one. Similarly, if you query ANR 0318I, this will display the reorganization which is run against the indexes. Okay, so it will, you need to again verify whether you see the latest date and time or not. In this case, like I can see my last reorg ran against indexes on 13th, which is also the latest one. Now if you query ANR 0337 I message, it will display the run state status of tables. So if you see latest date and time and non SQL code, non zero SQL code, then it means your reorganization and the run state is running fine without any problem. Now if you want to see reorg parameters on Spectrum Protect, then you need to run query option star reorg star. It will display you all the reorg related parameters, like allow reorg index parameter, which will tell you do you want to automatically run index reorg against all the indexes. Do you want to allow table reorg? So default is yes. Do you want to exclude any table from the reorg? So right now it is showing none, no table has been excluded. And index reorg period tells you how many days after then you need to run the reorg against any table, any index. Reorg begin time will tell you what time you want to start the reorg operation, and reorg duration will tell you how long you want to run the reorg. The default value is 24, and if you want to update any of the parameter, you need to run set opt and the parameter name. Let's say I want to change the reorg duration from 24 hour to 10 hour, then you need to run this command and press enter. It will ask you whether you want to change it, then press yes, then it has been changed. You can run query option and then reorg duration to verify whether the parameter has been changed or not. So you can see it has been changed. So that's it from this video. Thank you.